Brands used to spend thousands of dollars to create professional looking skincare commercials like this. To get this kind of result, you'd need to hire a model, a professional photographer, a DOP, expensive studio setups, massive lighting gear, and weeks of work. But I did it in under 7 minutes using only free AI tools. If you are a photographer, a creative agency owner, or you run a brand yourself, this could literally change the way you think about ad creation. Let me show you exactly how I did this and more importantly, how you can do it too. So the first thing to do is overlook the product and think like a director. Why? Because we are not just generating images, we are designing a shot here. So as I am on the brand website, I am looking for the product design, the color combination brand uses and the brand aesthetics. Then I will download the image from here and then go to ChatGPT. Here I am uploading my product image and writing a prompt to ChatGPT to generate a entire detailed prompt for our model generation. Here you have to clearly describe ChatGPT about that it should write the exact model pose, the camera angle, the lighting and everything like a professional skincare commercial, and boom, it has written the prompt for us. And now let's copy it and go to ideogram. In my opinion, ideogram is the best tool to create realistic human images. When you sign up using your Gmail account, you will receive some free credits so you can use it to generate images for free. Then I will go to this plus icon and paste my prompt here. Then let's tweak some settings here. The style will be chosen realistic, okay. And then you have to choose the model. I will choose the latest model here. Turn off the magic prompt. Here is the color palette. As our brand aesthetic was in blue color, so I am choosing the blue one here. Then hit generate. And it will take hardly few seconds to generate the images. So we are in the queue and boom, the images are ready. You will get 4 images here and you can pick the best one you like. So let's see. Wow, how realistic and creative the images are looking. So I will choose this model from here. I personally like this one. Then I will go to the 3 dot below and download it. Now you can see the image I have downloaded is very low in quality. So we have to upscale this. I am going to this website here named Picsart, and it will upscale the image with just a click. And it's done. Now you can see the details on her face. Then we can download this from here. Then let's go to OpenArt AI. We will use this tool to create our model holding the product. All the tools I am using, I will share the links in the description. You can check it out from there. So when you sign up using your Gmail account, you will get 40 credits to generate images. We have to choose Flux Kontext. Then we will go here. I will upload my model and the product image here. Then go to prompt section and write a simple prompt. You have to describe the size of the product here. Sometimes AI get confused about the product size and it can do messy things around it. The number of images will be 1 and then hit create. It will take hardly 4 to 5 seconds to generate the image, and here it is. Wow. The model is holding the product very realistically. You can see here. Then I will download the image from here. So we will go again in Picsart and upscale the image. And then one thing you can see, the Flux context has messed up the text in our product. It's not sharp and not readable. So we will fix this in Picsart. I will add my product PNG here and let's align this and do the masking with the text only. And boom, our picture is ready now. Look at the model and the product and the text. It's clearly visible. So that's how I create commercial level visuals for brands using just AI tools on my phone. If you liked this breakdown, make sure to subscribe because next I am going to compare Midjourney versus Flux Kontext for product visuals. See you next.